So, a bit more on update. So, I did get an email back Tuesday, but guess what? Not from America. So, Polaris America did not reply to me. So, I had Maria, who has an American address on the bottom of her emails, but whenever she rings you, she's in Poland. So, unless Maria's now moved to America, I've now had contact with Poland again about my complaint on Polaris Britain Limited for not looking into the faults on my motorcycle, where the dealer fucked up the brakes, basically, and put my life and my wife's life in danger. So, Polaris have now passed it back to Poland. Funny thing is, in this email, she's made certain statements. She said, because I've asked for an extended warranty due to the problems, another 6 months. And obviously this situation put me in hospital. So I haven't been riding for over a year. So the bike's been sat there. And I had unanswered problems with it before I was ill. So many sensors going wrong. Bike cutting out when you're going along. Still hadn't had any information back on those. So I feel there's a ECU issue with the motorcycle. So I wanted to extend it 6 months. So it gave me a chance to get back on the bike, start riding it, and make sure there was no further problems, which originally they agreed to, and now they've rescinded. So anyway, she's made a statement in there that my warranty's run out. It's a 2020 Dark Horse, 5-year warranty. You have 2 years standard warranty and 3 years powertrain and electronics. That includes any electronics that send messages or receive messages, etc. from the ECU. So I know I'm not the best at maths, but 14th of March 2020 it started. So that will take me to the 14th of March 2025. It's quite easy. 2020, add 5 on 2025. So they're saying my warranty's run out. And something else is even more worrying. She's put in there, due to us already giving you a 1-year extension to your warranty, which they never have, we can't extend it again. So I've written back to them saying, right, obviously you're mistaken, you haven't extended it, so I assume that means you are now going to extend it. So it's now Thursday. I've not had a reply. I did put in there that I would ring them Friday just to confirm. I listed down some other questions in there because they also got the case of the missold, where they say it's not suited for the climate in the UK. It's not suited for the roads in the UK, etc., which now I found is actually a criminal statement they've made. So that changes everything. If I do take them to court, I can attach a criminal charge onto it, which will mean they will be responsible for all costs when I win. So yeah, bit interesting. Pictures changed behind, but yeah. So I'll record the call tomorrow, which I expect either isn't going to be picked up because they've got software now that knows when I'm ringing them, which again people find funny, but I don't really care. I find putting someone's life in danger is quite a serious thing, just from an ownership of my motorcycle, which you've paid a shed load of money for, and you're using a main dealer, and you've only ever used the one main dealer. So yeah, I'll see how it goes tomorrow. I've pre-sent them questions I'm going to ask, so they're aware of what I'm going to ask. But it all depends where the emails have been bounced to, because they don't go to the email they gave me in Medina. I even got a misreply from a guy, I think he's French in Poland, or he's Polish in France. I've no idea. They seem to bounce them around everywhere lately. But I'm still a customer. The bike is still under warranty, and they are trying to dodge it as much as they can, which is against the law in this country. You have to honour warranty once you've presented it. if you're withdrawing warranty, you have to do that in writing, which they've never done. I've even asked them before, are you rescinding the warranty? And they've always said nothing. Say don't bother. So yeah, so I escalated it to Polaris Inc. because Polaris Britain were doing nothing, and it may appear that Polaris Inc. have found the same hole next to the ostrich to bury their head. So find out tomorrow.